When it comes to professional-grade projection, brightness, clarity, and longevity are essential. The Panasonic PT-VMZ51 WUXGA LCD laser projector delivers all three in one sleek, white package. With 5,200 lumens of brightness, this projector is engineered for spaces where clear, vibrant visuals are a must. Whether that's a boardroom, classroom, or home theater. Starting with brightness, 5,200 lumens ensures that images remain vivid even in well-lit environments. Ambient light won't wash out presentations or movie content, giving you consistently sharp and readable visuals. Whether it's a corporate meeting during daylight or a lecture with overhead lighting, this projector holds up exceptionally well. Resolution plays a crucial role in clarity, and WUXGA, 1920 by 1200 pixels, delivers a little extra vertical space over traditional full HD. That difference matters when presenting spreadsheets, diagrams, or detailed images. Everything stays crisp and legible, making this projector ideal for both professional and educational settings. Video playback is also smooth, and visuals maintain their sharpness even on larger screens. The laser light source is a game changer. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors that degrade and require frequent replacement, laser technology provides thousands of hours of stable, high-quality illumination. This means less maintenance, lower long-term costs, and more time enjoying bright, consistent images. Color reproduction is another area where this projector shines. LCD technology combined with the laser engine produces accurate, vibrant colors. Skin tones appear natural, slides look professional, and films retain their cinematic quality. Accurate color is essential for design work, presentations, and media consumption alike. Installation flexibility is excellent. Lens shift and keystone correction allow for ceiling, table, or custom setups without image distortion. No matter the angle or placement, visuals remain true to their original proportions, making the projector adaptable to nearly any environment. Connectivity is comprehensive. Multiple HDMI inputs, VGA, and display ports ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices, from computers to media players. Network control and monitoring allow for centralized management, which is perfect for institutions or organizations with multiple projectors. Fan noise is minimal even at full brightness. This ensures presentations or movies remain immersive without distracting hums. Quiet operation is especially valuable in classrooms, boardrooms, or home theater setups where focus matters. Energy efficiency is built in. Intelligent cooling and eco-friendly modes reduce power consumption without compromising performance. This combination of energy savings and longevity makes the PT-VMZ51 both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Maintenance and reliability are where this projector excels. With laser technology, there's no need for frequent lamp replacements, and filters are easy to access and clean. Designed for heavy daily use, this projector provides consistent quality over time, making it an ideal choice for professional environments and home entertainment alike. In short, the Panasonic PT-VMZ51 WUXGA LCD laser projector combines high brightness, sharp WUXGA resolution, rich color accuracy, flexible installation, low noise, and minimal maintenance. It's perfect for presentations, classrooms, office meetings, or high-end home theaters. If consistent, long-lasting projection is a priority, this projector checks all the boxes. For those ready to upgrade their projection experience, check the link in the description to get your Panasonic PT-VMZ51. Bright, detailed, and reliable projection has never been easier to achieve.